Hello, and welcome to English Practice Daily, a podcast for language learners who want to speak English more confidently and happily. I'm Jason, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally and step by step, day by day. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful: how to practice English every day, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they have to move to the UK or America to speak English well, but that's not true. You don't have to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't have to study for hours every night. What you need is small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that are compatible with your daily life. Steps that will help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more attractive in using English with confidence. So, let's get started. Let's start with a simple example. Question: what is shadowing? You may have heard the word shadowing before. You may not have. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening skills at the same time. It's simple and very powerful. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like I am now, and you try to repeat exactly what they're saying. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound. You try to say the words at the same speed, in the same tone, and in the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat it after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat it. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat it. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you repeat it. Very good. That's it. This is shadowing. It may seem a little strange at first. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to the way you speak English, the sounds, the way it moves, the way it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, clearer, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you practice English every day? A lot of students tell me, Jason, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. When I feel nervous speaking, I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. Just start. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every single day in your real life, wherever you are. Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you need to listen more every day. Not once a week, not just in class, every day. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you hear the real rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster and helps you get used to the fact that real people speak, not just English speakers in textbooks. So, how can you do this? You can listen to podcasts like this. You can listen to English music. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can listen to short stories or English news for learners. You don't have to understand 100%. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you only understand 30% or 50% of it, it's still useful. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while exercising, or when you rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Tip number 2.
Shadow what you hear. Now that you listen, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking is how you become strong. After you have listened to a sentence or repeat a short section of the audio, copy the sound, match the rhythm. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I'm getting better little by little. Repeat. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You will notice that your speaking becomes more fluent. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. You will feel more confident. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced. Tip number 3. Think in English, just one thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make. Start thinking in English. At first, it's difficult. You want to translate from your native language, but translation takes time and slows us down. So, how do we start thinking in English? Start with short, simple sentences. Repeat them in your head. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. When you walk outside, the sky is blue. It's cold. I see a dog. During the day, I work. I'm tired. I want to go home. These are small thoughts, but help your brain communicate directly in English. No translation, no delay. Later, try saying them out loud. Just whisper or speak softly. It's like having a daily conversation with yourself in English. Tip number 4. Read out loud. Exercise your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading out loud is better. It helps your mouth, tongue, and your brain work together. Choose a short, simple text, suitable for a children's book, an English story for beginners, a dialogue from a video or podcast. Read it slowly, clearly, and counted. Then read it again, a little faster. Then again with more expression. Imagine that you are an actor. This will help your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. It's like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles. Tips number 5. Use English in your daily life. Let me tell you something very important. If you want to speak English well, you should not just learn English. You should live with English. What do I mean by that? I mean, English shouldn't just be something you do for 30 minutes on Monday night. It shouldn't just happen in your classroom or in your study book. It should become a real part of your daily life, just like your morning coffee or your favorite program. The more you see English, hear English, and use English in your life, the more natural it will become. Now, let me give you some easy ways to do this, even if you are very busy. First, set your phone settings to English. You probably look at your phone a lot, maybe 50 times a day, maybe 100 times. So why not use this time to learn? When you change the language of your phone to English, you will see English words every time when you open it. You will learn words like settings, airplane mode, brightness, update, available, delete, or download. You don't have to study these words. You just see them over and over again, and soon your brain will remember them. This becomes natural. This is called passive learning and very useful. Tip number 2, write a short diary every day in English. You don't have to write long essays. You just write 3 short sentences about your day. For example, I went to work today. I was very tired. I had 2 cups of coffee. It rained this morning. I stayed home. I watched an English video. This is a great practice for making simple things sentence structure and using real sentences, vocabulary from your everyday life. If you do this every night for just 5 minutes, you will make more progress than you think. You can write in a small notebook, or
you can even write to a friend who is also learning English and can write back. Tip number 3, record a 1-minute voice message each day. This is one of my favorite tips. At the end of the day, open your phone and record yourself speaking. Just talk for a minute. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, or something you learned. For example, today I was busy. I had a meeting in the morning. I made lunch for my family. In the evening, I watched a short English video. It's okay if you make mistakes. No one else has to hear it. It's just for you. When you listen to yourself, you learn. You hear your pronunciation, you hear your grammar, and you start to notice your common mistakes, and you can correct them next time. This builds confidence, fluency, and self-awareness. Tip number 4, join an online English group. You don't have to wait for a class. You can find other English learners online. Join a WhatsApp group. Join a Telegram group or channel. Use websites like Tandem or Facebook groups for English learners. You can write short messages. You can send voice notes. You can ask and answer questions. Even just reading what other learners are saying can be helpful. It makes English seem alive. It becomes a way to communicate, not just a school subject. Okay, using English in everyday life isn't hard. It doesn't take much time. You don't need a teacher to do it. And here's the secret. Turn small daily tasks into English practice. Instead of saying good morning to yourself in public, in your native language, say good morning. Instead of writing your to-do list in your native language, try it in English. Instead of watching 5 minutes of TV in your own language, watch 5 minutes in English. These small actions build strong habits, and strong habits build confidence in English speakers. So remember, make English a part of your life. Let it be in your phone, in your diary, in your thoughts, and in your voice. Let it be a part of you, not just a part of what you study. When you do this, English will no longer feel like schoolwork. It will feel like something you live with. And that's when real proficiency begins.
Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications for new lessons. I look forward to talking with you again soon. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.